What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 INFINITI Q50 Luxe all-wheel drive. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 with 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 7-speed automatic transmission. So on my channel I have a lot of videos on Q50s, but I realized I haven't gotten a video on the 2022 Q50 Luxe, so I was like, I might as well go for a drive in this car today. I think the Q50 is a really nice car. They're really fun to drive. 300 horsepower is no joke. That's really good. And like in the used market, Q50s are extremely popular because you know, of the value that it provides. It's a good-looking sedan. It drives really well. It's quick. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure this has Android Auto too, but it's wired. And you also have the Bose Performance Series sound system in the Luxe. I like the shifter. You have a 360-degree camera system. Steering wheel's nice too. Seats are very comfortable as well. And also, like, some of the Q50s have like a brown interior, which looks beautiful. And also, like, the Red Sport is so fun to drive. I have a lot of videos on the Red Sport. Personal Sport, Standard, Eco, and Snow modes are your modes for this car. We'll drive in Sport. And that's the thing, like, even though the Red Sport has 100 more horsepower, these regular Q50s are very fast. They're great cars, you know, very nice cars. But let's walk around this Q50 real quick. Like, as a daily driver, it's great. This one's there's a Red Sport right there, and this one's finished. I forgot what the white color is called, but it's a nice white. Here are the rear seats. You have AC vents back there, and you also have charging ports. This one's an all-wheel drive Q50, so it'll say all-wheel drive on the back. You also had dual outlet exhausts. Very heavy trunk. Soft mat back here. Decent cargo space. Also have a sunroof. Let's take this car out on the road. Nice and heavy steering as well. And man, like, older Q50 Red Sports, like 2018, 2016 ones like that, they sell within, used ones, they sell so fast, within like 2 days. I'm telling you, like, these are great cars. See that? Very quick. Like the Q50s, like, I mean, that's so quick, you know? And also, like, I'm telling you, this, it feels really sporty. Like, it's very enjoyable to drive. And this is one of the INFINITIs that didn't get a CVT, and it has a really nice 7-speed automatic, so that's a big thing too, right? Because like a lot of the SUVs, like, had the CVT transmission. And apparently they're bringing back, INFINITI's bringing back a, I don't know if they're going to call it the Q50 still, but they're bringing back a sporty sedan with a manual transmission and 400 horsepower. So that's going to be really cool. Because the Q50 for now has been discontinued. I mean, the design was out for a really long time. And it was just facelifted here and there, like once or twice, and the interior was updated. One thing I really miss from the Q50s is the paddle shifters, the mounted paddle shifters. The earlier ones had collar mounted shift paddles, like high quality ones, and then after that they were replaced with just like regular shift paddles, plastic ones, which were steering mounted. but I prefer the collar mounted ones a lot more. I do miss that. But yeah, it feels really comfortable. I'm gonna put it in the standard mode now. Steering loosens up a little bit when you put it in the standard mode. But yeah, you put your foot down, this car will pick up speed very quick. Another car I really like is the INFINITI Q60. The Q60 is absolutely beautiful. It's a really, really good looking coupe. But like, INFINITI discontinued it, I think after the 22 model year, yeah, it was a 22 model year. You know, it's, you know, the market has really shifted from sedans and coupes over the years to crossovers and SUVs, so that's why. But as I said, it's a shame because the Q60 was gorgeous. And the Q60 Red Sport, very good looking car. And the red, especially in red, like I think it's called Dynamic Sunstone Red, it looks so good. And I don't really see a lot of Q60 Red Sports around in general. Or Q60s for that matter. Look at that acceleration, and the engine sounds so good too. I really think that this car is super underrated. While the interior is kind of an older design, it still looks good, right? And as long as you have Apple CarPlay and everything, what else do you really need? Overall, very nice Q50 Luxe right here. Very nice car to drive, it looks good, and I think it's a great vehicle. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own certified pre-owned or pre-owned INFINITI Q50.